Welcome to the WWise video tutorials. I'm gonna introduce you to the game demo I made for this series. It's called
Pizza Time.
The character wanders around and delivers pizza to the people or zombies. The whole purpose of the game is making that on time. Every time we deliver the pizza, we got a little time boost and game continues. Now we are going to integrate Wise to our project. It's a very simple thing to do. Just open Wise Hub or Launcher, find the Unity tab at the menu, find the project you're working on, then hit Integrate Wise into project. But you should close the project before doing this or Wise won't be installed. It's done, complete. Let's open both Unity and Wise projects, then be sure the Wise integrated correctly. If you can't see the Wise speaker tab like I do, it means Wise installed and connected to the Wise project we created. If you can't see the Wise speaker tab, it's at the Window tab on menu. Everything seems fine, then we can open the Wise project now. If you want to know more about Wise, I recommend you to check Wise official videos, documents and these series. One more thing to do. Let's check the connection. I'll create a sound bank named main. It can be empty, no problem. Then generate it. You can either pick the platforms you want to deploy, then generate, or just generate all. If that updates the Unity project's Wise speaker, it means the connection is safe and sound. So that's it for this tutorial. I'll upload and update the project on GitHub so anyone can download and try their work. Till the next time, have a good day.